Hello Suhan, let us learn what respiratory system is because it is very essential to learn respiratory system as it is the first important system to help us to speak. Here you could see the mouth, can you see this? And then you have the nose. From the nose you take the air in and breathe out. When you take air inside your nose, it goes into the thorax. This is what is called as thorax. And then it is called bronchus. The bronchus will divide into bronchioles, two bronchi, and then the bronchioles into the lungs. This is the left lung, this is the right lung. Can you see this? And all these small things are called as bronchioles. This is the bronchus, this is the trachea, and then the nose, and then the mouth. These systems will form what is called as a respiratory system. For the production of English speech sounds, we could observe that the air from the lungs that is exhaled out through the nose is the important thing that gives us the energy to speak. And hence, it is called as the pulmonic aggressive airstream mechanism. It is pulmonic because the lungs give us the energy to speak. It is aggressive because the outgoing air gives us the energy to speak. In some of the African languages, we can have glottalic, and some of the Indian languages like Sindhi, we can have velaric airstream mechanisms also. But in English, we have the pulmonic aggressive airstream mechanism. Understood? Thank you. Hello, welcome back. This is the second system that we have, which is called as the phonatory system. The phonatory system will have the vocal cords in the middle of the pharynx, and this is also called as the voice box. In males, it is seen outside as Adam's apple, and inside you could find two lip-like structures which are attached in front. It's not called as front actually, it's called anterior and free to move at the back. So because they are attached in the anterior and free to move at the back, it can assume a number of positions. If you look into the first diagram, you could see that these two vocal cords are drawn wide apart so that the space that is in between, which is what is called as the trachea, is open up. And here if you observe, the vocal cords are very close to each other and it is closed, so the glottis is closed. Here the glottis is open in the first diagram. In the second diagram you could find that the glottis is closed.
So
If the
let us
glottis
talk
is
about
closed,
this third system, which is called as the
this is what
articulatory
happens when you are eating or drinking.
In
So
the
that the food
articulatory
particle or the
system,
water
you
droplet could
have
not
your
enter into it.
entire mouth
The
and
glottis is
oral
open, so very
cavity and
wide,
nasal
and the
cavity
voice
are covered.
less
You
sounds
could
are
see on
produced
top
because
the
the air
pink
can
colored
pass
is
through it very
nasal
freely.
cavity.
Sometimes
You take
an
in air
intermediate
and the
position
air
between
passes
these
the
two
nasal
diagrams is
cavity
been
and
observed
then
where the
comes
vocal
down.
cords are
Do you see
loosely
that?
separated.
And
When
if you
the
see
air
here,
that is
you have
coming
the
out
two
from the
lips
lungs
from where
has
your
to put
mouth
some pressure
begins,
on the vocal
and
cords,
inside
and
the
hence
two
the
lips,
vocal
the
cords
upper lip, the
vibrate,
lower lip, you have
thereby
the two
producing the
teeth, the
voiced
upper
sounds.
teeth and the
So
lower
through this
teeth.
diagram we
Can you
learned
find them?
that
And then on
in the
top, you
first
could
diagram
find
the
an
voiceless
alveolar
sounds are
ridge on
produced.
top
In
of
the
the upper teeth,
second diagram,
which is
no
going
sound is
back in the
produced,
form of
and
a
an intermediate
concave
position
plate,
possible
which
will
is called
produce
as
the
the
voiced
hard
sound.
palate. So
That
this
is how
yellow
certain
part
of the sounds that
is
we
called the
produced
hard
are
palate.
voiceless,
This in
certain of
the
the sounds
extreme
are
end
voiced,
will fall
and
down
sometimes
into
we
the
don't talk
softer
at all.
portion, which is called as the soft
Do you
palate.
understand?
It is this hard,
Okay, take
soft
care.
palate that
Bye.
moves up and down. If it moves up, it closes the nasal cavity. If it moves down, it opens the nasal cavity. And in the lower part of your articulatory system, you could find the lower lip, the lower teeth, and then this beautiful dance master. Can you see the tongue? With the front, with the central part, with the back part of the tongue that is attached over here. And now this is this big space, which is what is called as the pharynx. And this pharynx, in this pharynx, you could find the oral cavity and the nasal cavity getting opened. And then it goes down. Here you have the second organs that we discussed, the vocal cords. And here is the esophagus that goes into the stomach. Do you understand? Here in pharynx, it is divided into the respiratory tract and the digestive tract. Okay? Thank you.